Hi, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and I am here to share all about my latest new home for you. Who doesn't want to live on the park? I mean, Central Park, right outside your window. And I'm here to show you all about 1150 Fifth Avenue. Come, let's see what we have. Some of the greatest architects came to New York City to make their name. One of those was J.E.R. Carpenter. Built in 1924, he celebrated 1150 Fifth Avenue and really embracing grand and gracious living. Here in this particular apartment, apartment 5A, it's a one of a kind. 1150 Fifth Avenue, 5A, by the numbers. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, shy of 2,200 square feet. 4 rooms on the park, 5 large windows on the park, and 0 board approval. Love it. So what exactly does it mean when you have a home renovated for the way we live today? It means central air in a beautiful turn-of-the-century building. It means open floor plans, large openings, portals where rooms are now not so defined, but very open. It means rolling out of bed and having your coffee in Central Park, or having a glass of wine at sunset on your roof deck. All you need to do is bring your toothbrush and call me. I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, awaiting for you here at 1150 Fifth Avenue.